Hi guys, my name is Alex and welcome back on our Kubai Design YouTube channel. Today, that's a final day with the 3-door G Wagons already brought here. And as might if you know, there are about 7,000 G Wagons all over the world, has been manufactured since the 1979 till this time. So that's approximately 5,000 original 3-door G Wagons and near 2,000 cabriolets, with the soft roof rack. So we've decided to buy these 2 G Wagons, the green one and the gray one. It's 3 and 2 and 2 and 3 petrol engines, the G Wagons. And we have the huge plans for that. But we haven't still decided what we're gonna do with the gray one, because as for the green one, we wanna lift it, make it 4x4 squared, but the 3-door G Wagon. It will be the first all over the world 3-door squared G Wagon with the portal axles. We're gonna install the huge 26 centimeters, it's about 10-inch width 4x4 squared. I think it will be the carbon fiber set fender flares, the lifted kit suspension, so we make it taller, of course between the frame and body spacers, the metallic ones, and the special kit for the portal axles. So it will be tall as hell. We'll try to make our best in this plan. As for the overall condition, it's very good, really nice, because it's a very old G Wagon and everything has been brought through the time in very good condition as for the exterior and the interior. So let's see, all the trim, all the panels, even the leather has saved its genuine condition. It hasn't been remanufactured, it hasn't been refurbished into new one, but of course we will do that. Because if you're gonna transform this G Wagon into the new one, like everything has been restored, then interior should be like the new G Wagon style. And as for the gray one, you see the condition of the gray one is really bad because it has been ravaged through the time. It has rustins all over the body, here and there. So these places are the bad places for the G Wagon. All G Wagons come through the time. Initially shall ravage everything on it, on this, and especially on these caves. So this project will be the full restoration of the body and the interior, the engine, the gearbox, everything. Because, as I've told before, we have huge plans, and the condition and the overall amount of the G Wagons brought till this time, the cabrio, a very small amount, and the condition is very bad. So probably we're gonna replace this White Star kit from this G Wagon and install our own, the carbon fiber one, or the plastic with the carbon insertions. So as it should be on this car, because there are still no G Wagons, the 3-door G Wagons with the Brabus White Star kit on it. So this will be the first. For the whole conception, we're gonna copy from the green one to the gray one. As for the being first in the world, because the green one should be the first all over the world squared 4x4 but 3-door G Wagon, and the gray one should be the Brabus White Star kit, already including with the approximately 5 inches taller, the lifting kit, of course, and the cabrio. So I don't know what should we do, but tomorrow we'll start the disassembling of these cars, and these cars are for sale. So on this one we're gonna test all the portal kits, the G Wagons body kits, everything we have, because it's some like kind of toy. And the green one is in a very good condition. It's for sale just right now, and the Cabrio will be done, I think, approximately within the 3 months, because we're gonna use only new, genuine OM parts, because there is nowhere to find used parts for the Cabrio. As for now, what I'm keeping in my mind about the parts, let me show you what we are doing for these cars. As I've told before previously about the White Star kit, I mean the plastic kit that widens the body all over the circle. So we need to remove the existing fender flares and the existing moldings with all the badges and tap this huge panel onto the front one. And of course it should match the AMG front bumper, because with the original it won't fit. The same thing we need to do with the door. Just tap this part here. Of course, before that, remove the molding, and with the sealant glue mount the panel. So this kit is not technically upgrading kit, but it widens the car and improves the visual effect. And as for the rear, removing everything and tapping with the sealant glue, and it has even the hole for the gas cap, and the holes need to be drilled with the LED lights illumination, as in the original. And the visual effects enhanced with the carbon fiber hood scoop. As you might see, this is the newer style Brabus hood scoop. We offer 2 variations, the older and the newer one. Of course with the badge, so for this proper installation you should remove your existing badge, mount a sealant glue on the circle and tap on the hood, and the front roof LED lights. So when you turn on your lights, the lighting outside will be very cool. So the LED lights are an old and original, and they are 2 working zone. So the simple installation of just 2 these carbon fiber parts enhances the really visual impact on the car. And as for the gray G Wagon, on this example I show you the AMG bumper as it should be, on the green one also. So just laid the parts. What should we remove? We should remove everything, as we can see on the front, especially these huge gaps and broken within time parts. So you can see this ugly body kit, I don't know what is it. We've bought in this condition the car. So the main issue for us is to show you the condition of the car before we remanufacture it, the whole process, and what it should become. So you can point and mark all our preparations and the work proceeds shown on the camera. So we remove everything from the front and install the front AMG bumper to match the AMG fender flares. Of course with the brackets, with everything here included, is probably with the front lip LED spoiler, and it will be available to install the Brabus White Star kit. To match the AMG bumper, there should be, like, let me show you this. It's with the brackets, so it's not available to show right time. And the front AMG grille replacement with the proper badge. I think we will use the custom badge here, as this car will be customized by our Kubai design team. I think we'll put the Kubai design team logo here. The front lamps with the connectors, it's a Mercedes style, like this, and for the green G Wagon. So looks like this. And the headlamp covers replacement. This the plastic should match the color of the car. And of course, the restyle mirrors. So when we install it, it will be available to remove this cap, this shell I mean, and install, except this, the carbon fiber case, or to make the carbon fiber cover overlay for this, just mount the sealing glue and mount the carbon fiber cap. I'll show you later on. So few final words for the camera. I've shown you to our 3-door G-Wagon board already, and with the existing tuning. Just right now we will disassemble 2 cars already and install our kit. But before this, these cars will be restored from the 100%. I mean everything, the engine, the gearbox, the suspension, the body, the frame and the interior. The whole car will be the new one. And those cars are for sale. If you want the cabrio, or if you want the lifted with the special lift kit on the portals or without it, or you need to make some like special project on these rarity cars, please contact us, subscribe it, put a likes, call me. Thanks.